Why we are forgetting it? And you yourself witnessed to it when you confronted Jagdish Ratner and he was tight-lipped that moment. I was watching that TV with great interest that point of time. Now remember that 28 years have passed. Within 28 years have passed, many commissions, and Mr. Phulka was telling, they have been appointed and they have given the reports also. And ultimately one fine morning, the government says on the action report, well, we don't agree with the Sajjan Kumar is involved there or not. Now the issue is that the witnesses, those who have been eyewitnesses, they have seen it here. The ladies who have seen their husband being burnt openly, the woman, they have been killed there. They have been gang raped also. And imagine what was the police doing? Where the people, those who have been killers and monsters, where they evaporated in the whole world. I'm surprised. And ultimately, 28 years have passed.
Your view is therefore...
And Mr. Arnav, I just want to say the child who was one...
Yeah, go ahead. Please complete.
Yes, carry on.
No, please complete. Please complete.
So therefore, the child who was 1 year old that point of time, he is 29 years old now. And imagine what kind of justice are we having it. The Sikhs have already suffered enough of it. Look at the patience we have it here. Haven't we seen our perseverance? Haven't we seen our patience all these years also? Please don't test us anymore here. You see, I would not like to say on the judgment of the court as it is. The same court convicts 4 people, at the same time they acquit Sri Sajjan Kumar. We have the reason, we'll go to the higher court, that's a different thing. But mind you, it might take another few years. Mr. Phulka and other battery of advocates who have been fighting this case all these years, they'll continue to fight more. And mind you, maybe one more generation pass it like this.
Well, it's unfortunate.
You see, I agree with Mr. Sarsa when he was saying that ultimately what faith we have in the judicial system. What faith we have in the judicial system, unfortunately.
Well,
not even 10 people have been convicted so far.
To Abid Rasool, and then I want to take a response from Mr. Malvinder Singh. Abid Rasool, here a broader question. The broader question 4 of our panelists are saying or suggesting is this, that there has been a deliberate attempt at botching up the evidence against Sajjan Kumar. There is political interference, use of political clout in this particular case. Let me not complicate it. That all that the lip service that you are doing is lip service. Your expression of sympathy is lip service. Because the allegation is that political influence is used to botch up the investigation and let Sajjan Kumar off the hook. I think that's why there is a political attack on you. Abid Rasool, your response, and then I'll get Malvinder Singh back.
Yeah, Arnav, I differ with you on the issue of lip service. I am by heart with my Sikh brothers, and I know what type of torment we go through when we have to fight for the justice. I have personally seen in Gujarat when 300 women were raped and all of them were acquitted for lack of evidence, when the public prosecutors did not even prosecute the case and the Supreme Court had to intervene. In this matter also, I am with them by heart, by mind and by total commitment. The point is that as per the judgment which has been delivered once it is being analyzed by the senior advocates available on your panel, if it is found that any police officer or any politician has tried to interfere in the judgment and
Mr. Abid Rasool,
delivery of justice.
Mr. Rasool,
in the delivery of justice, I am sure my party...
Mr. Rasool,
my party will take the consequence of that.
You're giving a standard reply. Mr. Phulka is responding first. Mr. Phulka.
No, that the officer who has suppressed the charge sheet for 21 years, 92, the charge sheet is signed, till today it is not filed. He is given promotion. He is the DCP in the Prime Minister's office. This is what that party is to do. I mean, give him each and every police officer who is shielding them, they have been given promotions.
Respond, Mr. Rasool.
Yeah, I'm coming to that. Mr. Phulka, basically, anybody who has tried to subvert justice, who has tried to see that the Sikhs or any other community does not get justice, we have to deal with them very seriously. And I understand that 29 years or 28 years is a long period for justice. We have to have fast track courts. We have to work together. We have to work together to see that.
Malvinder Singh.
And I am telling you, I am assuring you on behalf of our party that we will not protect anybody who is a part of this crime against the Sikh community and the minorities.
Take your assurance. 1 second, Malvinder Singh first.
I am assuring it, Arnab, I am assuring it as a person. I am assuring them as a person who is grieved with what my brothers, and I am assuring it. Whether I am true or not, I am assuring it on your channel today.
that this officer who suppressed the charge sheet for 21 years, he should be immediately suspended and the criminal case should be registered against him. Mr.
Malvinder
Rasool,
Singh-
we request you to go to the Prime Minister and take up this issue on our behalf.
Malvinder Singh, do you
Yes.
take the Congress party's assurance at
Definitely.
face value? What is your response to Abid Rasool's assurance? He says, I assure you, we will look at whether the investigation has been botched up, and if required, we will act. Malvinder Singh.
Well, what I have to say about that is that Mr.
Arnab,
Abid
can I
Rasool
come in between, please?
probably doesn't believe it himself. The point,
No, I totally
the
believe
point
it.
in front
I
of us
totally
is
believe it.
that
I am
28
with you.
years have gone by.
I really do not want
And
to
if in
play
28
politics on this
years-
channel today.
And no, I'm not playing politics. I was a congressman at that time. But what I want to say, and I want to say very emphatically, is I know what a lot of Congress people feel from within, but their public stance is different because of the High Command. The point here is you're in an unenviable position today because 28 years have gone by, and if you haven't been able to convince the country in 28 years, you can't do it tonight, I can assure you. And we are not convinced. I mean, this will have its ramifications and repercussions, and I possibly shudder to think what they may be.
Okay, Mr. Sirsa wanted to also respond to Mr. Abid Rasool. Yes, Mr. Sirsa.
So are we expecting tomorrow that Ashwani Kumar, the governor, will be recalled because the joint director in his charge sheet had signed that yes, Mr. Jagdish Titler is accused in the writing of 1984, and this was Mr. Ashwani Kumar, the CBI chief at that point of time, who said no, we won't do this because we got a state order from the High Command. So we are hoping from Congress tomorrow that he will be recalled, and also, as Mr. Fulkavel said, that the DCP will be suspended by tomorrow, who has not filed this charge sheet for 21
Mr.
years. in a
Rasool
court,
wants to respond.
And nobody dares to file a charge sheet against. Nobody dares to file a charge sheet
Yes,
against.
Mr.
But I might say again today, nobody in this Congress had a guts to say come on the TV and say, yes, I'll resign by tomorrow if I'm not able to get this charge
Yes,
sheet
Mr.
filed by
Rasool.
tomorrow itself in the court. Nobody
Yeah,
dares to
I
say
would
that.
like to answer here that my
Arnab, I
party
would like
and
to
my
come in
leadership is
between.
committed to get justice.
It for what? You are committed that Sikh will never get justice in this country unless and until there is no Congress government in the center. We won't get ever justice till the Congress is there. I must say, yes, you are committed for that. You are committed. I must appreciate that you are committed.
Your point is different. What I am trying to put
Harcharan
forward
Singh.
is a totally different point, Singh Sahab.
Harcharan Singh.
I am saying here that I
Harcharan
am
Singh
with you.
responding to
In
Abid Rasool.
all your grief, I am with you, and shoulder to shoulder, we will fight for
What,
justice.
29 years? No
What kind
justice
of
in
Yes, sir, I
29
am telling you,
years?
Arnab. Yes, sir, this is what
No
I am
justice
trying
in
to tell you.
29
Arnab.
years?
It's a shame on your part.
I am telling you,
Arnab.
21
One second,
years or
what-
14
This
years
is the
or
language
16
you're
years,
using on a
everywhere it is
national TV.
delayed.
What kind of shoulder to shoulder you're talking about?
Harcharan Singh is responding. Harcharan Singh.
We are not a human beings. You talk about the Godra, you talk
Yeah.
about the other, but I'm not a
Arnab,
human
I would like to say something here.
Yeah, go ahead.
Mr. Arnab, I would like to say something here. It is the point of which any crime takes place, there are three agencies involved in that. The first is a police or the CBI investigating agency, then the prosecution, and ultimately the judiciary. You can see the role of the police. Let us take the case of Nitish Bharadwaj, just recently having murdered. The 48 hours they have been able to solve the whole issue. Here the 2,733 people have been killed on the roads of Delhi. And where was the police that point of time? They say we'll bring justice, we'll fight shoulder and shoulder. I says 29 years a hell of a period. You still want to tell us and all these false promises you're trying to bring it here? And it should have been a foolproof case. It should have been made by the CBI or
So
the
you're
police
saying
also.
it's not a failure of-
Ultimately, the court will go by the witnesses and other things also.
So you're saying it's not a court decision?
Therefore,
it is-
absolutely a failure on the part of the police. I would say the CBI. It's on the CBI as well also. And ultimately the complicity, I would say, of the politician, that's why the police didn't come into the action, it didn't swing into the action. Let us understand that also. You see, I want to just draw one small parallel for a minute only. When we talk about Devinder Bhular and we say, well, he should be hanged, he's on the road. When his father and his mastered and his uncle has been evaporated, when he finished, nobody is responsible for it. Why we have two double standards for the Sikhs also, and then for those people who are miscreants, who are the writers here? I would like to have the comments from the Congress friend who is representing the Congress here.
Yeah, Mr. Rasool, quickly.
It is definitely a long time for 29 years for the carriage of justice, but that needs to be discussed, that needs to be sorted out by an all-party meeting, and we need to work towards minorities protection
Malvinder
by
Singh.
formation of
Malvinder
parliament
Singh.
and by an act which will protect the minorities.
Malvinder Singh.
Now,
that's a ridiculous argument. Malvinder Singh is responding to you.
Yeah, no,
My God, I can't believe this. I can't
That's
believe this.
I-
This gentleman
may I-
needs to be told that we are talking about the 3,000
May I?
precious lives.
Yeah. Malvinder
I
Singh.
don't understand what
Yes.
he's talking about.
Malvinder Singh is responding, Mr. Sirsa.
What I want to say is that if you're talking about trying to give justice after 29 years and you want an all-party meeting, if I recall
What kind of
correctly,
justice?
on
What
that
kind of all-party
particular day
meeting?
in
I never said
1984,
that. What I'm trying to say
Mr.
is
Atal
that
Bihari
we need to
Vajpayee.
speed up justice. We need to speed up
Let him
justice
respond, Mr. Rasool.
by sitting
Mr.
together
Rasool,
and
No,
working
Mr.
towards
Rasool,
it. I
listen
never
to
said an
Malvinder
all-party
Singh.
meeting.
Let me just say,
Yeah.
let me just
Yeah.
say, on that particular day, in 1984, Mr. Vajpayee was down with a viral fever. He came out in his ill condition to try and stop Congress rioters, and I'm saying Congress deliberately because he identified them. He was possibly the most respected Prime Minister this country has had. And he tried to stop it. And he was, at that time, when he was around, why didn't you think of an all-party meeting at that time when he was witness to it? Why do you want to take it today, 29 years later? I can't understand this. What's the seriousness of this?
Mr. Fulka, are you so disappointed today? Where will you take the fight forward? Are you planning a further appeal personally for you? I want to ask you more a personal question before I wrap up today, Mr. Fulka. You have fought this, you have faced all kinds of criticism, you have been marginalized, you have been called names by your detractors. You have faced threats, Mr. Fulka. Sajjan Kumar's been acquitted. Where do you take your fight from here?
I am in favor of filing the appeal. The victim should also file and the CBI should also file, and we should request the High Court to hear it day to day and decide it appeal within 3 months. But now I would also like to give, Mr. Rasool has promised that he'll take up the matter with the Prime Minister, so let us give him a chance. Let Mr. Rasool say 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, how many days he wants to take up with the Prime Minister to suspend that DCP who has suppressed that charge sheet, and then come back on your channel and report that what is the result of it.
Well, I think that's a fair point. We leave it to Mr. Rasool
We
to...
will definitely appreciate, and we will definitely appreciate the gentleman.
Well, let's see Mr. Rasool takes it up to the Prime Minister and what the response is. Gentlemen, 29 years is a long time, and a promise of justice after 29 years holds little hope for many, but for those who are fighting for justice, of course, they deserve all the support required. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining me on this important subject tonight. Thank you very much indeed.